It's just a quick video, show the inner sill in place, just roughly, just to see how it looks. This is the dashboard side panel here, so you can see there's still a bit needs done in here. This needs fixed, which I should really have taken that bit right back to the floor. This panel here, to the front of the floor, you can see I still need a lot of work done at the back here, just where the sill's going on, but I'll get that done. This is the new inner sill, so that joins up to this, and then I have these panels here. That's the little plate that goes up in here. That's in the front there. So we've got an inner wing bit as well. So that bit's for down here. We've got a bit coming, the extra bit for this bit here. Got a panel, fits in here, but I've managed to get the other cut off panel that came from this car, so that'll go in there. So that should make it a little bit neater for the door pillar to come down here. Okay, cheers.